it's Hazy. In today's video, I'm excited to share how we roll with Montessori Practical Life Activities at home with my 4-year-old. This episode will be a little different because you'll see everything from Alina's point of view with the Insta360 GO 3 camera, from the moment she wakes up all the way to the evening.
우유랑 계란. 우유랑 계란. Eat girls.
그치, 맞아. 그렇게 하면 돼.
나 손에 계란 엄청 많이 묻었어.
다녀와.
Now that Alina's 4 years old, she's become much more capable of doing practical life activities in real life. Since we are not homeschooling, it's more about us doing chores, cooking, and looking after the house together rather than focusing just on shelf work. It's all about real life stuff.
우유 조금 넣어볼래?
어,
되게 조금만 넣어봐.
알았어.
됐어?
Special thanks to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited to try out their vlogging camera, aka the smallest camera in existence. This tiny little camera as small as my thumb is a game changer for capturing everyday family moments. Honestly, I've never seen anything like this before. The Insta360 GO 3 offers the ability to record hands-free, which is super convenient for busy parents like us who want to document those memorable moments without having to worry about holding a camera. You can easily mount it on your kid's chest, their cap, or any magnetic surface, which opens up a whole new world of unique perspectives and footage. You can capture those moments from angles that you never thought possible, making our memories truly unforgettable. Whether it's your child's point of view as they play, explore, or simply go about their day, this little camera lets you see the world through their eyes. Alina got all the ingredients into the blender and now it's mixing beautifully. Just gotta pop it in the microwave for about 5 minutes and voila! Our healthy brekkie is ready to go.
안 돼, 안 돼. 여기 오면 안 돼. 오면 안 돼. 아, 부서졌어요. That's it.
Involving Alina in household chores isn't just about completing tasks. It's about teaching her essential life skills, values, and attitudes. By participating in tasks around the house, I hope she understands that things aren't just magically done. Maintaining a home involves effort from everyone in the family, not just mom or dad. Through these experiences, Alina learns a sense of accomplishment, responsibility, and independence.
하나씩 놔야지 이렇게. 하나씩 놔야지 여기 있는 거 많지. 지금 되게 많잖아. 빨리 넣어.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Now we're gonna drop Elijah off at childcare for just half a day, and then Alina and I'll go grocery shopping on the way back home. My maternity leave is nearly finished, so I need to get him settled before I return to work.
이거.
First, we're gonna buy some fresh flowers to add a nice touch to our dining table, then we'll get some dinner stuff. I always let Alina pick up fruits and vegetables because she's all about being part of the decision-making process. Plus, I love chatting with her about what looks good and why she likes certain things. It's way more fun than just distracting her while I shop.
그거 많이 이거 물렀네. 딴 거.
알았어.
이건 어때? 너가 봐봐.
안 물렀어.
이거 괜찮아?
엄마 나 멜론 사고 싶었어.
응. 아, 이거? 이거 하나 살까? 이거 홈트 어때?
괜찮아.
이거 들어봐.
이거 2개, 이거 2개. 이거 조금.
그거 빼.
I really love how she carefully checks out each bin to make sure they're nice and fresh.
알았어.
물 뿌려봐.
카메라에다가. 우와, 예쁜 꽃이 많네. 플라워 풀.
그치. 꽃을 자를 때는 끝에를 비스듬히 잘라야 돼. 이렇게 자르면 안 되고 약간 이렇게 잘라야 돼. 잘라.
Handling flowers, arranging them delicately in a vase, and using tools like scissors are great for refining kids' fine motor skills and hand and eye coordination. Watching Alina during the process was fascinating. She was so focused on cutting the leaves from the stems without harming the flowers, and I found myself staying quiet to respect her concentration. It was also really heartwarming to see her appreciating the beauty of the flowers.
멋있다. 요거. 우나. 이제 조금은 된 것 같아.
And of course, after we finished the activity, Alina helped with the cleaning too. After we had some quiet time, we decided to wash the windows, and Alina took charge of washing her cubby house windows.
안쪽에 내가 또 할게. 나머지 너가 물로 해서 닦아. 시나리 헬로.
됐어?
맛있어?
응.
달아?
아니.
안 달아?
I've been involving Alina in chores since she was about 18 months old. Fast forward 3 years, is she better at the tasks? Yes, but is she as independent as it seems in the video? Well, yes and no. We've been doing chores together for so long, but she doesn't just magically get things done on her own. It's taken time, patience, and a lot of encouragement on my part. You know, I've come to realize that I really need to be there for Alina both physically and emotionally, and that's what encourages Alina to take part in chores even when she's not quite up for it. Simply telling her to clean the playroom, for example, won't work. Actively engaging with her and making tasks collaborative rather than directive is key. The most important thing I found in the process is to respect her concentration, let her work at her own pace, and create an environment where she can learn without fear of making mistakes. We spent literally all day just doing practical life activities and not a single complaint from Alina. She seemed really confident and happy with everything we did. I just hope she keeps building on these skills and keeps helping out around the house as she grows up. And hopefully this prepares her to become a responsible and independent adult who takes care of herself, her surroundings, and the people she loves.
됐어. 이제 여기 다 넣어줘.
We filmed with the Insta360 all day today, and I really love this reload camera. The magnetic mounting system made it so much easier. You can slap it onto any magnetic surface without a hitch. Plus, you can clip it onto a tripod just like this or without the action pod. And check this out, with this pivot stand you can stick it pretty much anywhere you want. Insta360 is kindly offering a special deal just for you guys, 20% off for the first 10 orders using the link in my description, so be sure to check it out and grab your discounts. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I make videos about Montessori parenting, so if you want to watch more of these, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!